Trent Manufacturer, established in 2010. It's a SEDEX certified and national high-tech enterprise with unique and core competency in researching and developing, manufacturing and marketing of vehicle lighting products. Our product includes truck advanced lighting assistant products like truck tailgate lighting bar, truck running board light, truck bed light, grill light, etc. App-driven smart lighting kits. It includes exterior and interior kits like high-class ARGB technology lighting kit, rock lighting kit, grill lighting kit, engine bay lighting kit, and interior lighting kits, etc. They are widely applicated in car, SUV, Jeep, truck, power sport, motorcycle, marine boat, and so on. Also, we do produce vehicle illumination products like headlight bulbs, fog light bulbs, signal and reverse light bulbs, T15, T10, and dome light bulbs, etc. With our export rate hitting 99%, we have established a long-term cooperation with customers from more than 80 countries and regions including the USA, Canada, Germany, France, and Spain, etc. Since 2014, we have been certified with the internationally recognized Quality Management System ISO. Our manufacturing strictly accords with the CE rules of EU. Most of our products have been certificated with the highest UV protection grayscale 4 to 5 and come with export product certifications such as CE, RoHS, FCC, QDID, BQB, DOT compliance. Furthermore, we have obtained quite a few software copyright, design patents, and utility model patents, being awarded as high-tech enterprises by Chinese government. Now we have become the superior enterprise in the vehicle lighting industry. Since 2017, Trent has been used as our official trademark. Our logo has a vision of hammer in hand. It symbolizes hard work and our courage to storm through various complicated competitions. It also represents our robust strength in automotive lighting industry.
我们专注于所从事的行业，不断地提升自己的专业水平，脚踏实地地研究客户需求，攻坚产品，打磨品质，力争成为所在行业的专家。这也是我一直强调的专注、专业的品牌精神。
We insist on learning, strive to investigate and innovate. We stimulate breakthrough to going beyond ourselves. We have our feet on the ground without fear of difficulties. We are a big family full of love and desire. We pursue excellence, bearing our original dreams in mind.
公司进入汽车 LED 照明领域10多年，基本见证了行业的发展和变迁。当前竞争越来越激烈，在这种形势下，高品质、高技术是我们企业的黎命之本。我们始终坚持把美好生活倡导者作为我们企业的使命，把做一流的企业、创一流的品牌作为我们的奋斗目标，以客户为中心，为客户提供精准的、满足市场需求的产品，为消费者的安全出行提供更加优良的产品服务，形成良好的口碑效应，实现多方共赢。